It is 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're headed out to the NAB Show. Check out some of them DJI products that hopefully are new on the market. And let's have a great trip.
Gotta be honest, gotta be real, 'cause I can't deny it, the way that you feel. I tried to be single, but that didn't last. When I met you, I just knew there was no looking back. Met her in the city, she was pretty cool too. Friend of a friend, so that's pretty good news. Homie spinning downtown, saw her dance moves. Had a good night, karaoke taboo. She live out in New York, I'm like, that's cool. Here for a good time, how about you? She said yes, same, and then she came through. When it pours and it rains, it was love is mine too. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. Tell you I love you, but these girls on the side, and I still wanna hold you, but I can't decide, 'cause I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. I'm a Gemini, two sides like Chanel. You know that I want you, but I still need to fly, baby, I can't help it, I'm a Gemini, yeah. Toxic, baby, I'm a toxic.
Welcome to Vegas. Can tell it's cold. She's packed up like an Eskimo.
I'm not no angel, baby.
Vegas, baby. We're in Vegas. It's nippy over here.
Decision, make it hard to love me lately. So baby girl, gotta be honest, gotta be real, 'cause I can't deny it, the way that you feel. Tried to be single, but that didn't last. When I met you, I just knew.
Oh, if that isn't a nice room, then I don't know. This goes. Welcome to Vegas. It's NAB Show daytime. Let's go. Let's check it out. Hopefully DJ has some stuff in store that I wanted to look at. And maybe Insta get some stuff too. Let's do it. So we're here at the NAB. We got our small passes right here, and then we'll be checking out for the DJI stand. Let's do DJI and see what they got. I found the red stand. I'm gonna check that out first. The red cameras. So it looks like that we are actually a little bit too early for today. We got kicked out of one booth already. It was like, oh, we're still setting up. So we're gonna have ourselves a great time. How about, buddy, move some stuff around and then we'll come back tomorrow. Day number 2. Let's get this right this time and have the NAB at the right time. This place is like absolute camera porn. So you're going to Vegas to the NAB show just to run into people from Hawaii and Hilo? Yes, sir. This is the smartest man under this planet that does tech reviews that I always watch.
So I went from smartest man on the planet to a smaller group that does tech reviews to then a smaller group that you will always watch.
Yeah.
So really, I could be dumb as rocks.
Let's find you my favorite dumbest rock guy ever.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
So that's kind of a letdown. I was hoping to see something about the Mavic 4 or the Mavic 4 Pro, whatever they call it, and they just told me that it's gonna be delayed. So I talked to one of the DJI representatives and he said it's gonna be delayed. They pushed it back. There were developmental issues and some other stuff, and he's like, they just need to get that stuff straightened out first before they can release it. Other than that, there's nothing really new here. They have the Ronin 4D, they have the RS4 Mini, they have some power packs over here, and then of course they have the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Osmo Action 5, but there's nothing really innovative this time around the NAB. So I would have thought just like the other year, big cage, have the Inspire fly inside there, something like that, you know, and nothing. So, but we'll see how it goes. Right here, NAB 2025. This is Terry Warfield. He's one of the videographers, and he does like gear reviews, lifestyle vlogs. Check out his channel; it's really good, man. So it looks like DJI is gonna have some competition there with 32-bit float. So she just said that it's waterproof, like literally a microphone, UHF, waterproof. So this one has a Sony hot shoe on it, so you can just literally mount it like that on top of your Sony camera without running a damn wire anymore. And then in total, we're looking at about $269 for this whole setup, and it comes in black and it comes in white. I'm sorry, you can't give this guy anything. He's gonna break it.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing, bro? Like Edelkrone is gonna get some competition right here from iFootage with some sliders that are cheaper and better, probably then. And they're integrated together with DJI. Plus for the bigger version, we're looking at a payload of like 7 kilograms, just like that. Is the CEO of Tilta.
I see you.
And hopefully we get to see the Nucleus too pretty soon.
Over here.
I know. I want one so bad, really bad. All right, fellas, we're done for today. So we're gonna be at the after party for Tilta tonight. I ran into Larry. Larry is the camera guy for a documentary, and he also works at the Sphere.
Larry! We're going to after party tonight. We're going to have a great time on.
That's right.
Yep.
See you guys there.
See you there.